Ready to dive into a showdown between two powerhouses? The Vivo X300 Pro flaunts a stunning 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 4500 nits and Zeiss optics in its camera setup, while the Xiaomi 15T Pro counters with a faster 144Hz AMOLED screen and a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Which phone delivers the best display, camera prowess, and performance? Can Vivo's advanced imaging chip outsmart Xiaomi's AI speech recognition and Dolby Atmos speakers? And when it comes to battery life and durability, who really takes the crown? Stick around because we're about to uncover which flagship truly deserves your money. Is the Vivo X300 Pro's photographic mastery worth more than Xiaomi's 15T Pro's raw zoom power? Let's find out. The Vivo X300 Pro edges out with its LTPO AMOLED panel offering 120Hz refresh rate paired with an incredible 4500 nits peak brightness, making it perfect for HDR10+ and Dolby Vision content in any lighting. Meanwhile, Xiaomi 15T Pro offers a slightly larger 6.83-inch AMOLED with a faster 144Hz refresh rate, but peaks at 3200 nits. Vivo's dual PWM and DC dimming also ensure less eye strain, giving it a subtle yet meaningful advantage for users who binge-watch or game long hours. Xiaomi 15T Pro packs the more powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset with a higher clocked Cortex X925 core at 3.63 GHz, promising better raw CPU performance. Vivo X300 Pro's Dimensity 9500, while slightly lower clocked, balances performance with efficiency using its unique core configuration. For gamers and multitaskers craving peak speed, Xiaomi's platform might just pull ahead. Vivo X300 shines with its V1 imaging chip. Vivo X300 Pro's main camera boasts a massive 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom and OIS, delivering exceptional detail and versatility. Xiaomi's 15T Pro features a 50-megapixel wide sensor but ups the telephoto zoom to 5x optical, offering more reach for distant shots. The question is whether Vivo's higher resolution and Zeiss optics can outclass Xiaomi's zoom advantage in real-world use. Vivo's focus tracking engine, combined with Zeiss lens coating and SEPA 5.5 stabilization, ensures razor-sharp images and smooth videos, ideal for photography enthusiasts. Xiaomi's Leica Summilux optics and up to 100x hybrid zoom promise extreme zoom capabilities and creative shooting modes. This category is a battle between precision and zoom power. Vivo X300 carries a larger 6510 mAh battery, aiming for extended usage without frequent recharges. Xiaomi 1500 mAh may compensate with efficient hardware. For heavy users, Vivo's bigger battery could mean more screen time and less anxiety. Both phones sport premium glass fronts and backs with aluminum frames, but Xiaomi uses Gorilla Glass 7i and fiber on the back, adding durability. Vivo's aluminum alloy frame complements its water resistance, but Xiaomi's fiber back might offer better grip and resilience in daily use. Vivo X300 boasts IP68, IP69 rating, meaning it withstands high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters, while Xiaomi 15T Pro offers IP68 with immersion up to 3 meters, slightly better for underwater durability. Xiaomi's 6M13 aluminum alloy frame also provides impressive rigidity, making it a tougher companion. Both phones offer up to 1 TB storage with options for 12 GB or 16 GB RAM, but Vivo's 16 GB RAM options could deliver smoother multitasking in intensive apps, giving it a slight edge for power users. Vivo X300 enters the ring at $750 to $950, undercutting Xiaomi's 15T Pro's $870 to $1,050 price range. If budget is a factor, Vivo might offer better value. But does it justify the price difference given Xiaomi's specs?